Now, next conversion, we are going to see about the hexadecimal to decimal number system. The hexadecimal number system is what? Which is having the base as 16. Means it consists of the 16 symbol, that is from 0 to 9 and from A to F. Okay. So when we consider the A to F, then A have a value as 10, B has value 11, C 12, D 13, and for the E it is the 14. Now same steps we have to follow. That is, first separate the numbers. So in this we are going to convert the 9AE. This is the hexadecimal number into the decimal number. So first we follow, that is the separate the number. Second, multiply each number with the base. What is the base? 60, and give power to base from right side to left starting with the 0. And step 3, do calculations. Okay, so see the example 9AE. So we separate the number 9AE, then 9, value of A is 10 and value of E is 40. So we placed over here 40. Now multiply each number with the base. So base of that number is 16. So for each number we are going to multiply with 16. So 9 into 16, then 10 into 16 and 14 into 16. And when we multiply with the number, then we have to give the power. Start giving the power from right to left starting with the 0. So 16 raised to 0, 16 raised to 1 and 16 raised to 2. Then we will go perform the calculation. 9 into 16 are 2, that is a 256. 10, 16 are 1, 16 comes, so 10 into 16 and 16 are 0, 1. So 14 into that is the 16. Sorry, 1 is here, 14 into 1. Now 9 into 256, it becomes a 2340 plus 10 into 16, 160 and 14 into 1, 14. And when we perform the calculation, it is the 2478. So when we convert the 9AE hexadecimal, then it becomes as 2478 decimal number. So this is a simple steps or the simple way to conversion of the hexadecimal number into the decimal number. Next we see about the next number system. Now we are going to see the conversion of octal number system into the decimal number system. So see, this is the octal number 257, base is 8. So it is the octal number. So we are going to convert this number into the decimal. Same procedure we have to follow. That is a step 1, separate the number. Step 2, multiply each number with the base. Give power to base from right side to left and starting with the 0 and perform the calculations. So see, first we separate the number 2, 5, 7, then multiply with the base. So base of the number is 8 as it is a octal number system. So 2 into 8 plus 5 into 8 plus 7 into 8 and giving the power from right to left starting with the 0. So 0, 1 and 2. Okay, now perform the calculations. 2 into 64, 8 2 is 64 plus 8 1 is 8. So 5 into 8 plus 7 into 8 is 0. It becomes the 1. So 7 into 1, 128 plus 40 plus 7. So 175. So when we convert the octal number into the decimal 257, it becomes the 175. So this is the simple calculation or the simple conversion of octal number system into the decimal number system. Next we see the next number system. Next we are going to see if the binary number consists of the fractional number, then how to convert that binary fractional or the binary decimal number into the decimal number. Now see, the procedure is same, but as we have a decimal number, so the number which comes after the decimal point have some different rule. Okay, so say that you have to separate the number, multiply each number with the base, then start giving the power from 0 to from right hand side to left hand side. So these condition when the number is before the decimal point. Now see, the number is 10101.101. So this is the decimal point. Now whatever the number is present before the decimal, that is the 10101. So we separate that number. Then whatever is the number after the decimal, again we separate that number. Then same thing we have to perform, that multiply each number with the base. So base is 2. So that 1 in that is the 1 into 2 plus this 0 into 2 plus this 1 into 2 plus this 0 into 2 plus this 1 into 2. Okay, then start giving the power from right to left starting with the 0. So 2 raised to 0, 2 raised to 1, 2 raised to 2, 2 raised to 3 and 2 raised to 4. Now the number which multiply with the 0, that we cut out, because any number multiply with the 0 comes 0. So 2 raised to 0, 1. So 1 into 1, 1 is there. Then 2 raised to 2, 4. 4 into 1, 4. And 2 raised to 4, that is a 16. 16 into 1, 16. So addition becomes the 21. So this is about the number which comes before the decimal. Now we'll see what happens is if the number after the decimal. So this is the 101 number. Same procedure, we separate the number, multiply each number with the 2. So this 1 into 2 plus this 0 into 2 plus this 1 into 2. But when the point comes, when we have to give the power, so the number which comes after the decimal, see after the decimal, which number comes, for that number we have to give the power from left hand side towards the right hand side, that is from this, and with the minus sign. So the power come from left to right starting with 1 and minus sign. So for this 1 into 2 raised to minus 1 plus 0 into 2 into minus 2 plus 1 into 2 raised to minus 3. So we start giving the power from left hand side starting with the 1 with the minus sign. Okay. Now same we have to perform the operations. So first we see 2 raised to minus 1. So it first we convert that number into the positive. So it becomes the 2 raised to minus 1, that is 1 by 2, and 1 by 2 it becomes the 0 0.5. So 1 into 0 0.5 plus, so it becomes the 0. So that we are not going to calculate. Next 1 into 2 raised to 3. So the cube of 2 is 8, but it becomes in the form of the minus, that we have to convert into the positive number. So we write 1 divided by 8 and the answer comes 0 0.125. Okay, getting, this is a 2 raised to minus 3, that is the 2 raised to 8, but it comes in the form of the minus sign. To convert that into the positive, so we write 1 by 8 and then calculations come as 0 0.125. Then 1 into 0 0.5 plus 1 into 0 0.125. So answer comes 0 0.5 plus 0 0.125. So 0 0.625. So this is the calculation, the numbers after the decimal. Now make a addition of these number. The calculation comes before the decimal and the calculation comes after the decimal. So it becomes the 21.625. So answer, that is a conversion of 10101.101 binary to 21.625 decimal number. So this is the conversion of the binary number having the decimal point. The steps before the decimal point is same what we did previously, but for here we just have to make a little bit change, that starting giving power from left to right starting with minus 1. Okay, so this is about the conversion of fractional binary number system into the decimal number system. Now we are going to discuss, that is the conversion of decimal number into the binary number. Previously what we have seen, conversion of binary number into the decimal, conversion of octal number into the decimal, and conversion of hexadecimal number into the decimal. Now we are going to see the reverse, that is the conversion of decimal to other. So first we see about conversion of decimal number into the binary. Now when we are going to perform this conversion, that is conversion of decimal number into the binary, that time we are going to divide the number by 2. And when we are going to divide the number by 2, it is called as a double method. Dividing the number by 2, that is the double method. Now we have to consider the MSB and the LSB. So what is the MSB? Most significant number, that is the bit. Okay, so it is the first number having the maximum weightage in a number, and the least significant bit, that is, it is the last number having the lowest weightage. Okay, so first we see how to convert that decimal into the binary. Now see the number 29. It is the decimal number that we are going to convert into the binary. So what to do? We have to divide the number by the 2. So here we are going to convert the decimal into the binary. Now 29 divided by 2. When we are going to divide that number by 2, that time we are collecting the reminders. Okay, so 29 divided by 2. So 2 is 1, 2 is 1, 2, and 2 is 4, 8. So 29 minus 28, it becomes the 1. Okay, that is the 14 into 2 is equals to 28. So 29 divided by 2. So how we did? 29, 2 is 1, 2, and 2 is 4, 8. So 29 minus 28, it becomes the 1. So this is the, that is, we have to take this, that is a 14 divided by 2. Now 2s are 7, 14. So 14 minus 14 is the 0. 0 is the remainder. Now 7 divided by 2. Okay, 2s are 3, 6. So 7 minus 6 is equals to 1. Remainder becomes 1. Then 3. 3 divided by 2. 2s are 1, 2. 3 minus 2. So here remainder is 1. And this is the most significant bit. That is the first number from your number. Now when you are going to collect the reminders, to form that binary number, we just have to collect the numbers. That is the reminders. So when we are collecting the reminders, we have to take, that is from down to top. Take this also. So 1, 1, 1, 0, and 1. So I have written as this one as this one, then this one as this one as this 0, and this 1 is over. So when we are going to calculate, that is conversion of this decimal into the binary, the answer is this one, binary number. What we did? We divide the number by 2. We collect the reminders from the bottom to top. So this is the conversion of 29 decimal into the 11101 binary number. Now we can verify that our answer is correct or not. So what to do? Convert the binary number into the decimal following the same procedure. Multiply by 2, giving the power from right to left, starting with the 0. So I have performed here. Separate the numbers 1, 1, 1, 0, 1. Give the multiplication by 2, 2, and give the power. 2 raised to 0 plus 2 raised to 1, 2 raised to 2, 2 raised to 3, 2 raised to 4. Perform the addition. 2 raised to 4, 16. 16, 1, 16. 2 raised to 3, 8. 8 into 1, 8. 2 raised to 2, 4. 4 into 1, 4. Here it cut out the calculation at 0. And 2 raised to 0, 1, 1 into 1. And make a addition. 16 plus 18, 24 plus 4, 28 plus 1, 29. So this is the conversion. So our answer is right. This number and this number is same. So this calculation we made is right. So this is the way how to convert the decimal number into the binary. We have to follow the double method. So this is about the sum conversion. Next conversion we will continue in a next video. Thank you.